So I guess if you ever wondered what happened to a bug that you squashed, you just walked away. This is what happens. Mother Nature takes care of it. It's food. Everything is food. Something will eat it. It's crazy how the legs moving. Clean my lens, so hopefully it's a little clearer. The legs moving. Can't get over the legs moving. I want to know why. It's because they're eating away at the muscles inside the ant, the firefly. You know what I mean, lanternfly. Sorry. It's just like how it's reacting. I'm pretty sure it was dead. I really stomped it, but I don't know. They came out of nowhere and just started munching on it. They gotta eat too, right? Pretty crazy, man. I wish I could let you know how small these ants are. They are minuscule, not like regular ants you see. You could barely see them. This phone is blown up. This is like 6.4, I think, times magnification. I'm sorry. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to share something that I thought was really, really interesting and cool. I can't get over that leg moving. That bugs me out. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one, guys.